Now, the EUMA project is conducted by a consortium of 7 European partners: Austria, Estonia, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy and the Netherlands. And these experts are bringing together their expertise and they create an innovative master program for professionals in the field of disaster risk reduction. As part of our EUMA project, my team at the University of Bonn has organized a week-long so-called winter school on the topic multi-hazard assessment and systemic risks, and this from scientific, operational and communication perspectives. With over 40 participants, such as early career or advanced senior scientists, but also professionals, we focused on multi-hazards, on risk landscapes, on risk communication, but also on national and international policy frameworks. As part of our program, we visited key institutions in the Bonn area, such as the Federal Academy of Civil Protection and Civil Defense, or at the United Nations University, the Institute of Environment and Human Security. In fact, this winter school is a cornerstone to shape the contents and the curriculum of our developing master program for future disaster managers.
So I applied for the winter school because on the one hand, some of the topics here are quite related to my research topic, and so it's nice to have some exchange and also meet other researchers and practitioners working on similar topics. On the other hand, I also really like that there's the multi-hazard and systemic risk component, which I don't target so specifically in my work right now, but I'm also very interested in. So that's been nice to get some input on methods and case studies from that side.
Like practitioners, for me it was very interesting and very useful the site visit, because I have experience in the field operation, and when I look the consequences of flood, I personally participate several times in the catastrophic flood in Moldova, in several international operations, and for me it was very interesting and field trip. And of course, visiting the Civil Defense or Civil Protection Academy was very interesting for me. And all other visits, first of all, and of course lectures too, and of course discussion with different specialists here.
The results of the research activities carried out within the EUMA project will also be put to the test within the framework of a summer school that will be held in Pisa in September 2025. The summer school will explore the latest developments in disaster studies from a variety of disciplinary perspectives, and will also feature a hands-on exercise focused on the practical aspects of cross-border disaster assistance. For more details, please visit the EUMA webpage.